Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the Pixel app, select the text seated by writing, size the letter, font of letter, select the stroke, adjust the color red, select the 3D text, change the color of letter, select the 3D shadow, select the reflector number, duplicate the letter, select the emboss button, light angle. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.